Independence Day is just a few days away, and we want to recognize the men and women who have served our country to give us the freedoms that we enjoy today. Suicide rates among veterans are nearly double that of the general population. It is now considered a crisis. Joining us right now, former White House chef Andre Rush and USAA President and CEO Wayne Peacock. They are here to tell us about Face the Fight and how it is helping our veterans. Andre and Wayne, first of all, thank you. Good morning. Thank you for joining us.
Good to be with you.
All right, Wayne, first, can you tell us about Face the Fight and how USAA is involved?
Yeah, this is a really important cause to us. We serve 13 million military members. We serve them every day. We try to take care of them in a very broad way, and this is a very significant issue. So it was important to us to lean in and really try to make a difference. We brought together a coalition of other corporations, of foundations, nonprofits, veteran service organizations to bring awareness to the problem and the challenge, and then to actually make a difference in reducing the rate. As you said, it's a very significant problem. It's about 1.5 times the national average today, and our aspirational goal is to break that rate by half and bring it back in line by 2030.
Now we'll go to Andre. You have a very personal story to share with us this morning. Tell us about that.
So I personally have PTSD. I came out with that openly a very long time ago, and unbeknownst to myself, it was probably the saved my life. It saved my life. I can't deny that part of it. I've lost a lot of people from suicide, unfortunately, and results from suicide, to include a child. And that's why I'm so fortunate to be here, standing humbled to be representing with USAA today, and all the military men, women serving across the country and the world, to talk about this and let them know that it's okay to go and get support, it's okay to get help, and talking to each and every individual, saying that if you know a military member, past, present, whatever, reach out to them, do a buddy check, and just ask them how they're doing. And you can kind of gauge that part of it, because it comes with a big stigma where people like myself, who are big guys or women, look and we try to be a certain way, but you don't know what's going on inside. So that's why it's so important for this coalition to come together with so many different caveats to it. It's just absolutely amazing.
That is amazing. Andre, thank you so much for your service. And when you were going through this, I mean, what is the biggest thing that you want anybody going through that struggle of PTSD to know about? What is that first step?
First step is recognition, knowing that it's okay to say it. When I came out, I was like, I have PTSD. And that was okay, but it wasn't okay that I didn't get support. And a lot of people, like I said, they'll sit and they'll seclude themselves and just not say anything about it. And I was one of them for many, many, many years. And I did something, and it was like a ticking time bomb. It just kept going and building up over time. But letting the men and women know that it's okay to get support. People do want to help, like USAA and this whole thing that we have that's going on. And they say, what's going to be different about it? It's the same thing we're going through, but you make the difference. It's just you being a part of it to let you know that it's okay to go out and just make that first step to reach out to someone.
Wayne, where can viewers go for all of these resources? Where can they turn to?
Well, the first thing you can do if you're in crisis is, dial or text 988, which is the National Suicide Prevention Helpline. If you're in crisis, that's an immediate first step. For those of us who want to help and support, go to wefacethefight.org. We have a tremendous amount of material there, information about the campaign, about the program and what we're doing, and an opportunity to participate and assist with the funding. We've raised about $40 million as we start today, but it will take more, and it's a great way for folks to lean in, to learn, and then to be able to participate.
This is helping a lot of people, and I'm sure saving a lot of lives. Wayne Peacock, Andre Rush, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you.
And be sure to go to clicktohouston.com for more information. You can click to Houston.com. You can check it out /scene@7 for more on this.